So in this video we're going to have a look at how we replace our waste tray in our Canon Colorado M Series machine. So if we come over to our screen over here, we can see that we have an amber warning light under tools just there. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to scroll down to where my amber warning is, which as you can see, you should replace the maintenance tray. So that's what they call the waste tank or the waste ink tank. Now I'm going to press the replace button, and then it's going to say seal and remove the maintenance tray, clean the maintenance drawer if needed, place a new empty maintenance tray, and close all covers and drawers. Now at this point, if you don't have any of those items, you can press not replaced just there, and then that will just take you out. Now as you can see, this is an amber warning light and not a red warning. This means that the printer will still work, but there's only a certain amount of time it will work for. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to come round to the back of the machine, and I'm going to lift off this bottom cover just like that, and you'll see I've got a spare waste tray and lid. Now I would say that we can use the current waste tray that's in there, we can empty that one out, and then we can put that one back in again, but there is a new one there, and you can order new ones as well for this machine. Now as you can see, I've just taken that cover off at the bottom. All there is on that is that there's a couple of screws at the bottom of the cover which hold it in place, and that's where we normally put most of our maintenance bits on the machine. Now to get to the actual tray, what we need to do is we need to lift this one up. So I'm just going to lift that up like that, and that just hinges up on the back of the machine. Now down here you'll see got a little green tab just there, and I'm going to pull that one up, and then that's going to pull the drawer out, and you'll see there's my waste tray. Now I'm going to lift this one up. Now there is two little rubber stoppers on there, so that can lift up and place over there like that. Now as you can see, I've got a glove on already, and then all we need to do is I'm going to take this out. I'm going to empty that in a special container which is made for waste ink, which is going to be disposed of correctly. I'm going to bring that back in, going to put that back in, going to close the cover, and then we're going to reset the machine. So I'm just going to empty that one now. So I've now emptied and just wiped out the tray, obviously again using gloves, disposing of everything correctly. Now I'm going to put this back into the holder. I'm going to drop my cover back down again, so there's no click, there's no latch on there at all, and I'm going to push my cover back in. Now while we're doing this, we've got to remember that all of these are white covers, so if we do get any ink on our hands, obviously make sure we wash our hands first, else you will get ink on the covers and you will not be able to get it off. So I'm going to drop this cover back down again. I will put this cover on the back as well. I will need two hands to do that. Then I'm going to go round to the front of the machine. I'm going to press the button that says replaced, and then what that's going to do, you can see it will go back to 0. It will then get rid of our amber warning light there, and that's how we empty our maintenance tray on our Canon Colorado M Series machine.